H&I is just two guys talking car stuff.
And today's public service announcement is talking about
zipper merge. Very near and dear to my heart.
Yeah, he gets a little bit of angst on this subject, so this is all him on this one.
Because everybody does it wrong.
Tell us how to do it right, Chris.
Okay, so what is a zipper merge? It's when you're cruising down the highway or just even just a regular road and you're going to lose a lane because of construction or whatever, so they want you to merge over either left or right. This one, we're coming up to a sign that says right lane closed ahead. Shows you the little merge symbol. And what does everybody do? That's like a half mile away from the merge and everybody starts getting over into the left lane, which is fine. That's okay. What isn't fine is when everybody gets up here and then you've got car, car, car. Are we getting tired of this yet? Car, 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 and nothing over here. What's wrong with that, Paul?
There's a lot of unused space here, so I would think that if we load up this lane and this lane, that would reduce the amount of cars, and then it's you go, I go, you go, I go, you go, I go, and everybody just like a zipper, the zipper merge one at a time, one at a time, one at a time. The only problem I see with this is if there's no cars here, and a lot of people are doing this, if you're the guy way in the back that decides to do it right, you're going to pass all these people, and you're really going to piss off this guy a lot.
And most likely it's going to be an orange Camaro.
Wonder who that could be.
Yes.
So, if you're going to be the first guy in line doing that, just know there may be some salty people in this row that don't approve of you doing it the correct way. But know that you are doing it correctly.
And you want a nice little tidbit? Not in Arizona, but in some states, if you're the guy that comes down here and tries to get in, and this guy doesn't let you in, he gets a ticket.
That's not here in Arizona.
Not here in Arizona. Damn. I know. But, so, I mean, I understand everyone wants to be nice, but if we avoid this, then this guy never happens. Yeah. So, just our public service announcement for today, zipper merge. Go up to the merge point, and like I said, just like a zipper, 1, 1, 1, 1. Traffic's going to go smoother, backup's not going to be as far, and everybody's going to be much happier because we're all working together.
Zipper merge. Live it. Know it.
Love it.
Love it.
So, that's it for this time. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, Twitter. I'm going to start Snapchat here pretty soon. Not quite sure what that's all about, but we're going to find out. And subscribe to our YouTube.
Please do. We'll see you next time.
Thanks so much for watching.